Hi everyone. If anyone has an oil leak in their Mitsubishi Pajero Sport from 1999 to 2006, I hope this information helps you identify the problem as quickly as possible. First, if oil is dripping from the middle or front right-hand side of the engine bay, the issue may be related to a loose or damaged oil filter. This is usually an easy fix, you just need to tighten the filter. If you're unsure whether the filter is the source due to there being too much oil, wipe the area down as thoroughly as possible, then run the engine for a minute and recheck. You should be able to see where the oil is leaking or a drip forming on the filter. If tightening the filter doesn't resolve the issue, it could be a damaged seal, in which case you'll need to replace the filter. Next, if oil is dripping from the front right-hand side near the bumper or radiator, it is most likely due to a rusted oil cooler that has begun leaking. To address this, you will need to remove the front grille. This can be done by pressing down on the clips at the top and pulling the grille forward. Once removed, you'll have access to the oil cooler, which is mounted on the front right. Disconnect the two oil feeds and remove the 3 mounting bolts. In some cases, you may be able to repair the cooler for much less than the cost of replacement, so I recommend using a radiator tester. Whether you are repairing or replacing the cooler, simply follow the reverse order of the removal process. There's no need to bleed the oil cooler, just run the engine for a few minutes after fitting and topping up the oil level, then let it sit and recheck the oil level. Lastly, if oil is dripping from the rear of the engine bay on the left or right side, it is most likely the rocker cover gasket. The gasket has probably dried out and cracked, creating a gap in the seal that now needs replacement. In this case, start by tracing the oil leak. Clean off as much oil as possible, then run the engine for a few minutes to locate the highest point of the leak. If it is indeed the rocker cover gasket, you will first need to remove the intercooler. This is a simple process. Loosen the air feeds and the 4 mounting bolts, then lift it off to the side. Next, loosen the 2 bolts on the timing cover to gain some wiggle room for removing the rocker cover. Finally, loosen the rocker cover bolts, lift off the cover, and replace the gasket. Clean the area on the head where the gasket sits and follow the reverse order to reassemble everything. I hope this information is helpful to anyone experiencing similar problems. Thanks for watching.